In this video, I will tell you how you can help your parents. We love our parents very, very much. Father and mother play important roles in our life. They train us, they guide us. The future of our life. Parents are the most precious gift of God for us. Parents take care of us, right? So, as a kid, sometimes we can also help our parents. In this video, I will show you how I can help my mother. Let's check, friends. Friends, now I will show you how to water my plant. This is going to be my plant. Come. This is my plant. It's so big. You can help your parents for watering the plant. Come, friends. We have the mug with full of water. See. Is this nice? Now I'm watering my plant. Folding clothes. Okay, friends? Friends, I fold this thing. Now 2 more is there to go. I'll show you how to do it. First, you need to keep like this. Then you have to keep like this. Then you have to come on the other side. And you have to make like this. How I made. Understood, friends? Now you have to keep it here. Keep it proper. Okay. Now one more is there to go. channel. Bye. See you in my next video.